My biggest regret is when I went to Israel, my great uncle came to the dorm where I was staying and said, "We're going to Ben-Zvi's house to make Kaddish." It was Erev Rosh Hashanah, and he said, "Would you like to come?" For Kiddush, rather. And I said, I'd like to wait till I'm a little more comfortable in the colloquial Hebrew, and then we'll go. And he said, "Okay, I understand you just arrived today, you're not quite comfortable yet. We'll go another time." And unfortunately, that was the year that Ben-Zvi passed away, and I never got to meet him. So to this day, I'm kicking myself, and I learned from that, never let an opportunity go by. But when they got to Israel, Ben-Zvi, or what was then Palestine, Ben-Zvi said to my uncle, whose name was Yehuda Blichman, he says, "Yehuda, we have to change your name, your last name, because you have a Galut name, and now we're in Palestine, you got to change it to a more Hebraic name." So my uncle went from Blichman to Yuval. So we always wondered, where did Yuval come from? So Ben-Zvi helped him get his new last name. So